Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is John Erickson, 6 feet tall, located in Los Angeles, California. Something interesting about me, well, you caught me in travels this week. I'm up in San Francisco and I'm doing cave diving, inland quarry cave diving. Some really cool stuff. See all sorts of amazing things like cranes and backhoes and front end loaders from when construction was taking place way back in the day, digging out these quarries. Now they're filled with water, crystal clear blue. At a certain point it gets dark and you explore underwater. It's a ton of fun, slightly dangerous, but that's the thrill. Thanks so much. Experience a world of adventure, a world of danger. Relive old memories or create new ones.